Hello children, I am Fatima ma'am here and we are going to learn how to make such type of paper skeleton. And this is how we are going to learn the parts of skeletal system. We will make all the parts and then we are going to assemble it like this. So let us begin. Good day children. Today we are going to learn about skeleton, our skeletal system. So we are going to do an activity of making paper skeleton. Here I have made a paper cutting of a skull. Then you can see I have made a paper cutting of ribs with with a spine or vertebral column. And then I have made a paper cutting of pelvic girdle here, which I will attach in this. And then I have made paper cutting of humerus you can see, which is a part of a hand, forelimb. And here are the paper cuttings of the two bones which are under humerus. One of the bone is called ulna and the other bone is called radius. After that I have also made a paper cutting of palm bones. Okay. And then I have made a paper cutting of femur. This is the femur bone of legs, these two. And these two are the bones of the two legs in the calves. Two bones in the calf part of the leg, and they are fibula and tibia. Fibula and tibia. One of them is fibula and the other one is tibia. And here again the other legs part. I have made the foot part also here. Now we are going to assemble these. I will use Fevicol and paste all these parts to make the whole skeletal system. Here is the skull. Here are the ribs. Now I am going to paste the ribs with the skull. I'll put a little bit of Fevicol here and paste it like this. Then I am going to paste the humerus in the ribs. I will paste humerus with the ribs here. The other humerus also I am pasting. After that, I am going to paste the two bones which are above the wrist under the humerus. These are ulna and radius. Ulna and radius. And these two are in the hands. Now I have pasted these. After that, I am going to paste the bones in the wrist and the hand. These are very small bones, so I have cut them together. You can see. I will show you the whole skeleton after I assemble all the parts. Here I am pasting it with this. Now I am going to paste the pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle. It is pelvic bone. It is attached with vertebral column. So I am pasting it here. Okay. Now I am pasting this longest bone of the body. It is called femur. Femur. Here goes the femur. Here is another femur. See, I have pasted femur here. And now I am going to paste fibula and tibia. That is the lower part of your hind limbs. Lower part of your hind limbs. Here you go. That is it. The last part are the foot part. These are the feet. The first feet I am going to paste in the lower leg part. I have pasted it. You can see here. I have pasted it like this. And now I am pasting the other foot. Here. Like this. You can see. Now I will show you the whole skeleton. And this is the skull part. So you have learned the parts of skeletal system. Now you will do this activity on your own. You are